get the 2 points and then attach it together. So we have to calculate 2 inches. So we have to cut like this. I consider you guys as a family to me. He's ready. Did you see a puppy? Oh, one shot. Make sure you use the peel with the holes. This way all the flour goes down. Outstanding! This is our spicy salami, which I really love it. Let's go ahead, let's finish it. Amazing, oh my god, lovely. Holes. I'm sorry, puppy. I'm sorry. Welcome to the best pizza channel. Che stai facendo, papà?
Pizza.
La pizza. She's going to be with me. Thank you so much, guys, for your time. Come si dice? Welcome back to my channel. Yes, thank you so much for being here today. Today is going to be something, you see, is here's a lot of ingredients. So, because today I'm going to show you the most insane, the most beautiful, the most unique pizza ever made 100% at home, guys. When I say that, I mean that it's really, really special. Like you saw from the thumbnail already, this is going to be how to make the star-shaped pizza. Yes, I invented this pizza for one reason, for one person in particular, that I'm going to tell you in a little bit. Aspetta, papito. Sto parlando con le persone qua.
No,
De bacina, papà? Qua baci? Ok. So I'm going to explain you when I'm making the pizza, who and how I come out with this pizza. You know, it's been created a long time ago, a lot of years ago. It's a history behind of this pizza. And then basically, I never made a video about this pizza. And today I decide to make this pizza. You know, I always reserve it for my special client in my pizza place. But today, because I'm full-time a YouTuber, I decide to show the world, to show you how to make this pizza at home 100%. B, C, D, E, F, G. So we're gonna make the special pizza, right? Give me 5. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah, let's thumbs up.
Yes.
Leave a thumbs up. Please share, guys. Please share this video because it's gonna be the most unique pizza and this video deserves to be shared. Thank you so much. Leave a nice thumbs up. If you're new, consider it to subscribe. Tu? Cosa tu? Yes, we're gonna make pizza now. Ah, you want the same t-shirt? Grembiule vuoi? Okay, yes. There we go. Are you ready? Okay, okie dokie. 1, 2, 3. She wants to be like me. So, there we go. Ready?
Yeah.
There we go. Unfortunately, today I was making some pizza. Hopla! There we go. Perfect. Voila. How beautiful she looks like. I know, you know, Jello. I forgot in my house. Unfortunately, she burned herself today, so maybe she cannot make the pizzas. But we're gonna try. Okay, perfect. So, guys, if you're new, consider to subscribe. Please watch the whole video. I'm gonna make it quick, fast, and tell me in the comments what you think. See you right now. Let's go. Okay, guys, here you go. Here's the dough. Fantastic. Like always, guys, if you want to know how to make the dough, just check out my channel and you just find everything about pizza. This channel is no secret and only for pizza lovers, guys. There we go. So this is how you take it out, and this is how we make star-shaped pizza. There we go. A couple of times and then boom on the floor. So this is how we stretch the star-shaped pizza. Very simple, guys. No crust in this pizza. So gently press the air out from the bottom, from the sides, and leave a little bit thicker the center. Then tap tap tap. Voila. Just stay. So the pizza needs to be smaller than usual. So take it out and then face down. Just like that. Okay, the stretching part is complete. I'm gonna tell you the story in a little bit. I'm gonna explain you everything how to make it. So at this point, the most important part of the pizza is how to make the star-shaped pizza. So easily, we need to use the spatula about 2 inches, basically not from the center, but a little bit outside. So we have to calculate 2 inches. So we have to cut like this. And what I personally do is I always measure with the spatula, just like that. So 2, we have to make 5 cuts. 2, see, 3, 4, and this one, of course, we watch the center, and 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's it. How simple was that? Smash the like if you think that was simple. So there we go. So now at this point we are ready to put ingredients. Everything, whatever you want to make. Here I'm going to make a little bit of ingredients combination. Very easy. We're going to leave a little bit of the ingredients outside. This way we know which one is which. So there we go. So we're going to put 1 slice artichoke, 1 slice little bit of first the ingredients. Olives, cherry tomato, the yellow one, which I like it a lot. And the one with the olives and cherry tomato, let's put a little bit of oregano. 1 slice, we put some salami or pepperoni, whatever you like. 2 slices. This is our spicy salami, which I really love it. 1 slice, we put some amazing mushroom. So what I did here, I'm leaving all the brands this way you can see. Voila. This everything was bought from the local store. And this one is some nice, really good ricotta from Trader Joe's. Just a spoon, right there. Press it. Salame di Milano. Which a really nice combination on this one. Couple. Voila. Now it's time to put the cheese. So the cheese here, we're gonna cut a little bit as a square. This way we have a little bit of a nice chunk inside. Voila. Pepperoni. Okay, so at this point I don't like to put the tomato sauce inside because after I'm gonna show you what I do on the center. So now it's time to close the star. This is the also very important step. So pay attention what I do. Get the 2 points and then attach it together, and you have to go from the inside. And then from here, you go ahead and close just like that. Like a magic, we have a little bit of a star shape. So like this, and then close with the dough itself. If it's sticky, just get a little bit of flour and use just like that. Then again, close it. Voila. Close it. And voila. Same thing right there. And boom. It might be a little bit difficult from in the beginning when you make it, but don't worry about it, you get there. Voila, this is the star-shaped pizza. So guys, at this point, get the spatula, do this every time. Get the spatula, a little bit of flour on the bottom. And then detach it because when you put the ingredients, you press and then it gets stick on the marble. Voila. Okay, take off the flour. Always keep it small. Now, pay attention what I do. Get it, and then make sure it's not sticky. See, sticky right there a little bit. So get a little bit of flour on the floor, and boom, 1 shot. Make sure you use the peel with the holes. This way, all the flour goes down. So now at this point, let's get a little bit of tomato sauce and put it in the center. We're gonna go ahead and let's give it a first cook for a couple of minutes. Max temperature, couple of minutes until it's gold. Let's go ahead and let's put it in the oven. Okay guys, max temperature, and let's put the pizza in the oven quick. Voila. So let me tell you the story. Just like that. This pizza was invented by me long time ago, about maybe 6-7 years ago, because I'm gonna put a picture right now next to me here. I made this pizza because Sylvester Stallone came to me personally. He asked me, make your best pizza. So I say, you know what? I'm gonna create a pizza for you. Because you are a star, I'm going to make the star-shaped pizza just for you. Yes, a star-shaped pizza. And guys, I made a star-shaped pizza for the first time ever, and I invented the pizza star for the star of Hollywood. That's the story. And that's how I come out with this pizza. I hope that you enjoy this video. I hope you like this video, because I'm making this from my heart. And this one, trust me, I keep it always inside me, but now it's all yours. And because you guys, I consider you guys as a family to me. So thank you a lot, and enjoy this video. Watch it until the end. I'm asking you just to give a little share with friends, and leave a nice like and comment below. Maybe I want to know what you think. And tag me on Instagram if you are making it again. This pizza, let's check it out. The pizza is cooking nicely. We're gonna cook it gold, and it's about to be ready. Okay guys, the pizza is halfway done. Let's go ahead, let's finish it. Amazing, oh my God, lovely. There we go guys, take a look. The magic star-shaped pizza is here. So now at this point, make a couple of holes.
Hey, Papa!
I'm sorry, Papi. I'm sorry. So now let's get the cheese and let's put it in the center, just like that. Not too much. You don't want to go too much on the edge here, because otherwise the cheese is gonna come out, we're gonna make a mess. So we want to keep the cheese in the center. Okay, there we go. So now a little bit of extra virgin olive oil right there, and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on top of the crust, because this one will make nice crispy gold color the crust, and that's lovely. So guys, I'm cooking the pizza at the static oven, no broil, because this pizza doesn't need the broil. Perfect. Okay, now we can go ahead and back and put it in the oven, and we're gonna cook it until the mozzarella starts to bubbling. Okay guys, the pizza is ready.
Wow!
Did you see, Papi? Wow! Lasciamola. Bam, guys. The most beautiful, the most insane, the most lovely pizza. It's here. Just for you. Please, run of likes. Please. Guys, this is for you. The perfect star-shaped pizza. That's all. Nice and smoky. Now I'm gonna teach you how to cut it and how to eat it. I forgot, guys. I almost forgot. Listen to this. Aspetta. Listen to this. Nice, soft and crunchy. Let's see. Shh. Outstanding. Woohoo! Okay guys, how to cut this pizza. This pizza needs to be cut just like this. So get a scissor. If you don't have a scissor, just cut right there on the center with the cutting. So boom, then you go right here, and then boom, then right here, boom, and then you go the other side. Oh, because you want to keep basically the slice of pizza. I'm gonna like the pepperoni. This is mushroom, see? That's why we leave the ingredients like this. Ricotta, and this is the pepperoni one. So, oh, I almost forgot, guys. I almost forgot. Let's put it back. The thumbnail pictures. Almost forgot the thumbnail picture, guys. So now I shot the live, basically the the whole thing of the thumbnail. Now we are ready to taste. Finally, let's get a little bit of basil right there. Take a look of this slice. The bottom cook, it's perfect, lovely, fantastic. So basically we get this part. Okay, and then we get the salami. Oh. Ooh, I got the one with the ricotta. Oh my god, that's hot. I got the one with ricotta. See, I made a mistake. But guys, it's lovely because take a look when you get inside like a pizza packet. So that's this pizza. It's amazing. Make sure, guys, if you make it, tag me on Instagram. From me, it's everything. Zoe, papà, vuoi assaggiare? Tira un morso. Voila, com'è? Thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you at the next one, guys. Thank you. Pugno. All right.